Hello everyone, welcome back for the second video of Corona fuel packaging. How packaging is going to be impacted, is going to be changed due to this coronavirus situation. So one important thing that we have to understand it, speed is going to be money now. The speed of developments, the speed of launches, the speed of supplies, the speed of deliveries, because everybody is starting fresh after this 2 month lockdown, and everybody is going to now come up with changing different SKUs according to the changing markets, the complete market dynamic, the complete market understanding of packaging, pack sizes, of requirement, SKUs, everything is completely changed, completely disrupted due to this coronavirus situation. And that is going to be like this for the 6 months, 1 year. You don't know how the market is going to behave. Nobody can predict anything. So, and second thing we need to understand, it's now the growth of regional vendors, the growth of regional suppliers, the growth of regional companies, because accessing your business associates from faraway places across India, it's going to be a challenge now. It's going to be a little bit difficult because lot of inputs are going to they go into making some particular packaging, be it raw material, be it cylinders, plates, machine repair and maintenance, manpower. All these issues are going to be impacted for the packaging industry, and we will see a major shift from national players, big players, towards regional vendors, and maybe that will be good for some industries. People are going to control the inventory. The clients are not going to place huge large orders, because you never know how situation is going to change every month, every 10 days, every quarter. So people are going to limit their inventory. So short runs, small quantity orders are going to be situation. It's going to be a situation in the next for this next few months, and we will see a major demand in packaging for PPE kit, for sanitizer, for hand wash, and we have been seeing their growth. So the packaging for non-essentials, they're shifting towards these essentials now, which were this kind of packaging was non-existent in the market. Just recently, one of our clients, they launched hand sanitizer in sachets. So such kind of innovations, such kind of new products are going to come in the market, and it's going to create a different playing field in the market. And if you're going to ensure to your client, to your target market, that this product is touch free, it has not been touched by human hands, that is going to be very important in the future, in this present scenario. So that is all that I have today to tell you about Corona fuel packaging. If you have any questions, just comment or just mail me. You can reach out to me. Thank you so much. Bye bye.